everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, me and Mikey's playing this physics game, soft body physics, was it? Is that what it was?
Yeah.
And look at this beautiful sunset. Wait, let me get a better view.
Yeah.
Wait,
Good view.
oh yeah, look at that amazing view. Hey, Mikey, why are you getting so close? Can you back up? What do you do? Oh,
Get down there. Oh, now, I'm Ragdoll.
Oh, that hurt. Oh, what? Somehow my spine is still intact.
Just to the stomach. Hey.
My head didn't break. Oh, guys, where are we? Mikey, I'll meet you at the subway. Mikey, meet me at the subway. I think I have a concussion.
But sadly, you're going to have to continue the video now.
I already am continuing the video. Say bye, Michael.
I'll stay on. I will actually have to mute myself. Hold on.
Okay. Oh,
But yeah.
you can or can't? Okay. I think I have a concussion. Mikey, I see an illusion of you. I think I'm seeing things. You know what? I'm gonna go to the tower and see another view of the sun. It's so nice. I need a closer view. Let me get on the edge. Oh, there we go. Oh, is that another quarter? You know how much I love quarters. Ow. Oh, okay. Oh, it is another quarter. I love my quarter. Ow. I think I just twisted all the bones in my body. Oh, it is another quarter. You know how much I love my quarters? Wait. Oh, I think I'm in water. But if you guys want to play this game for yourself, just look up in the Roblox search bar, Softbody. That's all I remember right now. That's all I remember. Let's go skydiving. Oh, is there another quarter? See that bird's eyes? There's another quarter. Let me just grab that. Put it on. I think I'm starting off the quarter. He's still there. What is it? Touch your head. I don't think I've expected this. Mikey? Never mind. Oh, it's so beautiful though. Oh no. I'm not sure what I'm about to do. Alright, right away, let's go. Oh, wait, look at that pretty sky. screenshot that. Why is it actually like so good? Okay. Also, guys, if you want to see some more in real life videos, because I've only posted one, I think just comment because I got questions. And if I keep doing more videos, no guys, you and Mikey can meet up and do one. And comment is what you want. Because people don't watch my long videos, I'll also put them in my shorts since I got tons of views on that. Okay, but that's the video. Oh, you want to shot. I don't feel too good. Over the road. Oh, perfect. Okay, let's get this. Oh. I need to get back to. I'm gonna go. Oh gosh, let me get cleaned up and everything. And put my location. See ya. You know how I had so bad luck first time in that tower. Why did I look at this tower? I'm gonna try to do this straight right. The smartest idea. The smartest idea was the phone. I can use it over the house. I can see the